Hey guys, what y'all doing?
Playing in the rain.
Oh yeah?
It's playing on me.
Woohoo! Is that fun? Ward, what are you doing?
Hi.
Are you coming to get the towel?
I'll get a towel.
No, it's okay, my friend. It's okay. It's alright, don't worry. Just let him go. We'll take baths in just a minute. I know.
Here's the towel.
My friend, let's leave it here. I want to get... Okay, you know. Well, honey, why do you want to dry off if you're going right back out there?
She just wants to dry her face.
Are y'all having fun?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye.